Octal number system. Today we will concentrate on octal to decimal conversion. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the octal number system and the decimal number system in details. Today we will discuss how the octal numbers can be converted into decimal numbers. As we have discussed earlier, during binary to decimal conversion, the same process is to be followed here. We have to follow some steps for this conversion. Now, let us discuss with an example. Say, we have to convert the octal number 100 into decimal. Then, what we have to do? First, we have to write the octal number. The step 1. The step 2, we have to write the weight values corresponding to the digit positions. Next, we have to strike out the weight values corresponding to the 0 digits. Next, we have to multiply the weight values with the corresponding digits, and then in step 4 we have to add the values. Finally, we will get the decimal equivalent of that octal number. Here 64 is the decimal equivalent of octal number 100. Now let us consider another example 2, where we have to convert the octal number 1001 into decimal. The step 1, we have to write the octal number. Step 2, we have to write the weight values. In step 3, we have to strike out the weight values corresponding to the 0 digits. Next, we have to multiply the weight values by the corresponding digits. In step 4, we have to add the values. In this case, we will get 513. So 513 is the decimal equivalent of octal number 1001. Now let us consider another example 3, where we have to convert the octal number 51467 into decimal. Here also we have to follow the same procedure. Step 1, we have to write the number, then we have to write the weight values. In this case, no 0 digits are there, so we have to perform the multiplication operation, and in step 4 we have to add up all the values, and finally we will get the result. Here 21303 is the decimal equivalent of octal number 51467. Next, let us consider another example 4, where we have to convert the octal number 2357.4 into decimal. What we have to do? Here also we have to follow the same procedure. Only we have to consider the octal point and we have to perform the operations as discussed earlier, and finally we have to add up the results, and in this case finally we will get 1263.5. Hence 1263.5 is the decimal equivalent of octal number 2357.4. Next, we may consider another example 5, where the octal number 6704.46 is to be converted into decimal number. Here also we have to follow the same procedure. We have to write the octal number, then we have to write the weight values, and then we have to strike out the weight values corresponding to the 0 digits. Then we have to perform the multiplication operation, and finally we have to add up the values, and in this case 352459375 is the decimal equivalent of octal number 6704.46. This is in brief about octal to decimal conversion. For further details about the number systems, we have to continue to number system lecture 7. Thank you.